everyone, welcome back to my channel, Tech, Teach, and Transform. So, on day 9, today is day 9, woohoo! Y'all are rocking this organization of your Google Drive. So, we have already labeled all of our main categories, all of our main folders. We have our Google Drive looking amazing. Now we are going to actually just change the colors of these folders in our Google Drive, okay? You've already put the emojis, you've already changed the titles of your main folders, so now we're gonna just have some fun doing the colors of your main folders. So what you're gonna do is on your main folder, so let's just go to this News Crew one. You're going to right click on the main folder, go to change color, and here are all the colors you can change. And for me personally, I'm going to change them to be every single color because I like rainbow. So I'm just going to start at the bottom. So I'm just going to go to the purple, see how it changes, purple. I'm going to go to the next one, change color, purple. Okay, next one, change color, pink. Next one, change color. So you're going to do that all throughout your folders, or however you want to do your folders. You're just going to change the color to be what you want, okay? So once you get done with that, you can go actually into any of your main folders and do the same thing that we just did with our main folders. You can use your subfolders. So you can go to, like, say, Teaks Activities, let's say. I have these folders. I can go add emojis to those folders. I can change the color, but you don't have to take the time to do that to subfolders if you do not want to, okay? So if you want to do that, wonderful, great. But the main thing is to just get this main drive with the color changes if you prefer color, okay? Now, what I want you to do for your archive folder is I want you to change that color to gray. Okay, because you're not going to access that folder very much, and so you want that folder to be kind of like grayed, blacked out type of thing. Okay, so your task today, super fun. Recolor your categories and then your subfolders to match. So recolor those categories, those main folders on your main drive, and then color code those other subfolders underneath that main drive as you please. Okay, I hope y'all have fun making your Google Drive nice and colorful and bright, and I will talk to y'all soon. Bye.